Hello investors, how is everybody doing today? So today I'm going to be showing you guys my Robinhood portfolio update one more time. So it's the end of the month and now July is beginning. We're officially halfway through the year. I want to show you my progress so far, even though I've only been trading on this portfolio for about 3.5, 4 months. But as you can see, I added some more cash into this portfolio. I actually added another $500. So currently I have a total of $6,000 invested in this portfolio, which means that I am up $457.10 in the past 4 months on this portfolio. And you can see in the past week I'm up like 142, and then the past month it's 473, and then the past 3 months it's 385. But 457 is what I'm up so far. So this portfolio is pretty much just long-term holds. If some of you guys are new, it's long-term holds for me to hold for years and years, and just keep gaining more money on them. So before we get into the portfolio, I'm going to be opening up one of your guys' free stocks. So once again, thank you for whoever used my referral code in the link below. I appreciate it. If anybody else wants to sign up for Robinhood, there's a link in the description. You get a free stock, I get a free stock. And let's pick the right one. Oh, looks like I got Sirius XM. Okay, I've gotten this one before. But thank you for using the code. Once again, I got one share of Siri worth $5.62. Awesome. Alright guys, so let's get into the portfolio now and see what I have. The first thing in the portfolio is this Disney call. Finally, this Disney call is actually coming back up in price. I was down a lot on this one actually. If you see right here, it was like $54, $50. Now we're kind of back up on this position. It's one contract for January 17, 2020. That Disney's going to be at 180 at that price. Right now I am negative $31 on this position. But I believe in the next month after earnings, this should probably be back in the green, and I'm probably going to sell it once it reaches around like 180, maybe 200. I'm going to get rid of this one. All right, the next thing in my portfolio right here is going to be Microsoft. So Microsoft is obviously one of my favorite stocks. You guys already know. If you guys look at the 3 month right here, it's up about 15.14%, which is great. And then the year, it's doing great, 38%. 10 shares at an average cost of $124. Right now I am up about $134.60 on this position, which is almost 11%. The next stock in my portfolio is right here. It's Disney. Disney is, Disney and Microsoft are my top stocks really. In the past year, Disney is up 36%. In the past month, it's up about 24%. So Disney, I have 14 shares of Disney at an average cost of $128.94. Right now I am up $197.60 on this position, which is almost $11 total, or 11% gain. I believe that Disney is going to be huge this year. That's why this is one of my favorite holdings actually. I believe that Disney is going to hit like 180 by the end of the year, and that's what I'm pushing for. So I'm going to make lots of gains on this one. I added a couple of shares in the past month or two, but I had a bunch in the past. The next stock on my list is a new one actually. I added Bank of America to my stock because Bank of America recently increased its dividend by about 20%, and that's when you see right there the stock spiked up a little bit. But in the past 3 months it's actually down 1%, and then in the past year it's pretty much breaking even. It's up about 4%. So right here I have 11 shares of Bank of America at an average cost of $29.76. Obviously I'm down like $8 on this position, but this is going to be a dividend hold really. I should have added this one to my M1 Finance portfolio, but I added it on here just because it was a lot easier for me to do it on here. My next position is AMD. So AMD, the chip company, obviously, it's been doing okay. It's been up and down, as you can see right here, with all those things going on in the market. But I have 10 shares at an average cost of $28.47. And my total return so far is $26.72, which is about 9.3%. And that's pretty decent right there. That's already amazing. I'm hoping that it goes up some more this year, but so far I'm happy with it. The next stock on here is going to be Comcast. So Comcast I added recently. Like I told you guys I was going to add Comcast. I think Comcast is an amazing stock. Look at that, almost 3% in the past week. Comcast is a very good stock for the long run in my opinion. I only got 2 shares, but I'm hoping to add more to the position this year. My average cost is $43.64, which is I'm negative 33 cents on the position, but that's not bad at all. I'll be back in the green soon. The next stock on here is Enphase Energy. You guys know I've had this one for a long time. So if you look at the 1 year, the stock is up 170%. Obviously, I didn't buy it back then, but I could have made some good money on this one. I bought a little bit too late, but it's okay. I actually got rid of some of my shares on this one, so I only have 10 shares at an average cost of $16.87. So I'm up $22.12 on this position, which is about 13%. Just so you guys know, I did have this at like $8 or $9 a share, but I only had like 1 or 2 shares. Also, I believe that, Enphase Energy with solar panels, that energy resource is going to be amazing this year, and this stock is going to be booming. I know it's going to be in the 20-25 range by the end of the year. That's my personal goal for it, but I think there's some big things coming with this. I think it's going to destroy the earnings this quarter. It's going to be amazing. Then we have McDonald's, good old McDonald's right here. McDonald's actually doing amazing. McDonald's is at all-time high right now. It's up 36% almost. I have 3 shares at an average cost of $200. My total return is $38.10, so I'm up 6.35% right now. As you can tell, it's at a 52-week high. McDonald's is just booming, and I actually wish I had a couple more shares of McDonald's. It's a very good stock, and it has an okay dividend as well, so you can get some passive income on the side, I guess. Next up on the list is Waste Management. You guys know I added this one about a month ago to my portfolio, but in the past year it's up about 46%. I have 5 shares at an average cost of $112. Right now I have I'm up about $26 from this position, which is about 4.6%. The stock is at an all-time high as well right now, so this one is booming. I like this one a lot, and I believe it's going to be like in the 125s maybe by the end of the year, so it's going to be some good profits for me on this position. So this is a new one, guys. Alibaba. You guys didn't know I had this one, but I literally I made a video of my top stocks for July, and on there was Alibaba was one of them. So if you guys want to check that video out, go ahead and look at it. I think it's the last video I uploaded. But yeah, Alibaba, I had to add that to my portfolio. I have 1 share at an average cost of $176.50. I'm down about $2 in the position, which is like 1%. But Alibaba is going to be back up there, I believe, especially once all this trade war stuff is over with, and we can just start trading normally, and things are going to be fine. All right, next up on the list we have Visa. It's at $176 right now, but it's doing really, really good. Visa's at an all-time high as well. In the past year, it's been up 33%. So I have 3 shares of Visa at an average cost of $166.16. I'm up about $31.33 on this position, which is about 6%. As you can see right here, we're at an all-time high. The past day or two, it's been doing amazing. And last on the list, we have PayPal. PayPal is really good. PayPal is doing amazing this year so far. It had a little dip right here, but it's okay. I have 1 share at an average cost of $110.16. My total return is $7.54, which is about 7% on this position. So if you guys want to look right here on all these, it shows you how much I am up or down on each position. So I'm down 31 on the call. I'm up 134 on Microsoft, up almost 200 on Disney, down about $8 on Bank of America, up $26 on AMD, breaking even on Comcast, up on Enphase Energy about 22, up about 38 on McDonald's, 26 on the Waste Management, down about $2 on Baba, $31 on Visa, and $7 on PayPal. Now these are some, I like my holdings. What do you guys think of the holdings? Do you guys like these holdings? Do you think I should be adding anything or taking anything away? Because I'll take your guys' feedback. If you guys have some good opinions, I will definitely do some adjustments to the portfolio. But yeah, leave a comment below. What's your favorite stock to hold in your portfolio? And also what you think of my portfolio. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I want to thank everybody. Actually, I just broke 3,000 subscribers. So thank you everybody who's subscribed to the channel, and thank you everybody who's been supporting me. So don't forget to smash that like button. Let's get some good likes on this video. But yeah, I hope I see you guys next time, and enjoy your happy 4th of July. And if you guys don't celebrate it, just have a good day.